I am seeing 3 animals so far. Oh! Remember, Elizabeth, don't eat a caterpillar, okay? Like you did last time. Alright, I won't. Wow! Okay, so you see a caterpillar. Woo! Look! I see so many butterflies flying onto the sky. Well, that's right, Sophie. There's 3 butterflies. Oh, and one is touching my nose. Oh, yeah. Look at the butterfly. Ooh, I want to see a butterfly on your nose. Oh, God, it's a little ticklish. Oh, great. Oh, my God, it tickles me. Yeah, it does. But whatever. What animals can we see besides butterflies? Oh. Okay. I'm glad the butterfly left. Alright.